After 5 operational years in a Cat 3B airport, more than 11 non-United States airports, a U.S. patent and the FAA L-890 certification, the use of optic fiber for light monitoring and control has proven its ability to deliver crucial information instantly and without interruptions. All of this is achieved through a seamless installation and comes with the added advantage of requiring less maintenance and continuous real-time situational awareness. The system replaces the existing ALCMS monitor. This means no extra monitors are added to the tower cab, which increases overall efficiency within the ATC operational environment. The Runway Incursion Mitigation system operates on the placement of induction loop wires installed beneath the ground that act as a scanner of sorts. Unlike other systems, the CDU crossing detection unit detects every single movement and recognizes the presence of metal within aircraft and vehicles. When an aircraft crosses wire 1 and then wire 2 in this order, as the ground routing is configured to, the alarm doesn't trigger. But let's imagine a vehicle crossing wire 4 and then wire 3, going straight towards an incoming aircraft. This will trigger the alarm and prevent a collision. This event alarm sequence is achieved by the instantaneous information transfer granted by optic fiber, meaning you'll be notified before it happens. The positioning of the induction wires will be determined according to current airport operations and with prevention in mind, with the objective of delivering continuous surface situational awareness. The system's application software is so flexible that it can be easily adapted to a single runway, or to a more complex airfield layout with both hot spots and blind spots. All of this is tailored to fit your airport's needs in compliance with FAA L-890 guidelines and adapted to your airport's standard surface movements. The ALCMS comes with a one-touch, automatic intensity soft start setting, which provides seamless adjustment of airfield light's intensity according to visibility. It also allows you to disable or enable hotspot and blind spot alerts of standard routing settings. This results in continuous situational awareness of ground movements. The routing and alarm settings are configured in coordination with the ATC crew, the airport operations team, and MC Solutions experts. This approach provides the ATC with a reliable tool when it is critically important, during low visibility operations or traffic peaks. The Runway Incursion Alert places airport safety on a whole new level, with no change to standard procedures.
Fast Air 11 Tower, runway 36 left, clear to land. Wind calm.
Clear to land, runway 36 left, Fast Air 11.
As soon as a runway incursion incident is about to happen,
Car 01 Tower, proceed holding point Alpha, runway 36 left.
Proceed holding point Alpha, runway 36 left. Car 01.
Fast Air 11, go around. I say again, go around, vehicle on the runway.
Fast Air 11.
Car 01 Tower, stop immediately.
Stopping. Car 01.
the CDU crossing detection unit alarm will trigger at the control tower. This action will immediately prevent a collision. No fly-round necessary and no unscheduled flight to manage within the current air traffic pattern. This results in a reduction of risk, avoidance of costly recovery actions, and also increases passenger safety and the overall quality of passenger experience. The MC Solutions US team is here to support you 100% with training on actual system software, with actual alarms and monitoring system responses, just as it will be once installed at your airport.